Hi, welcome. So in today's video we are going to see how you can be able to run a Windows server on a MacBook. Earlier I think I did how to do it on a Windows server. The video is here. So now we want to do it on a MacBook. So let me show you. So this is the MacBook I have. So the first thing you need to do on a MacBook is download the Windows app. So to download it, you need to go to App Store. So this is how it looks like. So to download it, we need to go to Windows, what do you call it, MacBook App Store. Then you search for Windows app. So when you search it, you download it and you will have it on your MacBook. So now we have it. Now the next step we need to do is to go to your browser and go to console. So you need to go to Amazon console, AWS console. Here it is. Then we search for EC2 and go for launch instance. And now I had already created a Windows server. Here it is. But to create it is very easy. You come here, you write your name, then here you search for EMI. We want the Windows. Okay, here you select here Windows and you select any. So it's being selected. Then you select the size that you want according to the money you have, and according to your load. But some are very slow. Then here you select a key pair if you need to use it. Then here it has already enabled remote RDP, remote desktop. Remote desktop protocol, it has been enabled here. Then I don't think where there is anything that is needed, then you press launch. You can just launch it. And why we need the key? We need the key because it will enable us to get a password which we will use to log in on this server. Where is it? We will use it to log in on this server. You can see it in initializing here. I can start this. Then you press connect for us to be able to connect through the RDP. Then here we download the RDP file Then we get the password. Password is not available, we are still waiting. Let's try this one. RDP, get password. Yes, and now this we upload the MacBook, our key. Let's start mine here. So now we have the password. Then we come here, the one that we have downloaded is connecting. We paste the password and then we press continue, and then we press continue. And boom, Windows Server running on a MacBook. I think we can connect the two of them. This one is fine. Let's see. Okay. The same step. Decrypt password, then we copy, we open our RDP, paste the password and connect and continue. So another thing I'm also I'm thinking of doing a video where we will use the, what do we call it, SSM. We will use System Manager instead of downloading the file. So like we will be able to see this Windows machine. We will be able to see it on a server, but to do it we need to use the System Manager, and the System Manager is used even for running updates. So you can see we have a Windows machine and we configured it, I think, to 16 GB or 8 GB. Why is it so slow? I feel like that one is so slow. Let's try another one. Settings. We have like a Windows PC with 16 GB. I think the other one was 8 GB. That's why it's so slow. And also one thing I love about this, they have a lot of high-speed internet. Like if we test it, you can see it here. This is 780 MB. So let's like try to do a 4K video. can't do this. We can't run a 4K video. But let's see the speed here. There was another speed test I was using and it had a locket with, I can't remember the site name. Damn. When I grow up, I want to have such an internet speed. But the funny thing, you are being charged whenever you are using this. But you are charged according to how many hours you use. Wow, that's a good speed. So I think that one was a good demo on how to use MacBook, to use a Windows server on a MacBook. So you can comment down below which server something you would like to see. This one was 8 GB, that is why it was kind of it had a delay. So I can do like a speed test here. Damn, 1.2 gigabits per second. Yeah, this is the life. So nothing I can do here. So till next time, bye bye. Let me continue experimenting with the Windows server here.